Hi friends, what, 22 of you? Um, this is the saw I've been complaining about, trying to get it fixed. See? I'm $200 into it. I've pretty much completed my pile of logs. This right here, that's the only Chinese thing I put on it. And this bolt says it's stock. I have a suspicion it might be Chinese, but it said it was OEM. You see that? Maybe it's original, I don't know. But it's pretty much original. The cylinder, I didn't put a cylinder in it. All I did is hone out the original cylinder and put Japanese cylinder and rings in it, and new old stock original bearing for the piston, because you can't find them brass ones anymore. So that's what I ended up with. Let's see if it runs. Safety equipment, glasses, always got my hat, and I got a light on it. Gotta have my gloves. I'm cracking in a new set. I paid a lot for them, huh? Just for this, so I look pretty in the video. Muffs. Now don't be talking, I won't be able to hear you with these things on. Okay? So just keep that in mind. I won't be able to hear you when you yell. Now that log, along with the other one over there that's been on the other videos, when this log came in, the guy whose property, you know, this is out to Don, he was eyeballing that. That's a beautiful piece of wood. I wanted to turn that into lumber, but remember I got this saw built, and my milling saw seized up. So I'm looking for a bigger saw. Conceivably I could use this saw, but I mean I need it for firewood. But that's the saw. And leave comments. How does it sound? I built it myself, so I really don't know. Skunk can't smell its own hole. Does it sound okay? Hey, I love you all. Have a good one.